Hey marketers, ready to up your email marketing game? Today, I'm going to show you how to master email marketing using AI tools. First, what is email marketing? Simply put, email marketing is sending emails to your audience to promote products, share updates, or nurture relationships. It's one of the most effective ways to reach your customers directly. Now, how can AI make this easier? AI tools can automate your email campaigns, personalize content, and even analyze data for better targeting. Imagine having a personal assistant that handles all the tedious tasks while you focus on strategy and creativity. So, which AI tools are best for beginners? Let's dive into my top picks. First up, MailChimp. It's user-friendly and offers AI-powered recommendations to optimize your campaigns. With features like automated workflows and predictive analytics, it's perfect for beginners. Next, we have Sendinblue. Known for its simplicity and powerful AI features, Sendinblue helps you create personalized emails and track performance effortlessly. Its machine learning algorithms can even predict the best time to send your emails. Another great tool is ActiveCampaign. It combines email marketing with automation and CRM capabilities. The built-in AI can segment your audience and tailor messages to increase engagement. And finally, there's HubSpot. Though slightly more advanced, HubSpot's AI tools are fantastic for scaling your email marketing efforts. From smart content recommendations to detailed analytics, it's a comprehensive platform. To sum up, AI tools can transform your email marketing by making it more efficient and effective. For beginners, I recommend starting with MailChimp or Sendinblue for their ease of use and powerful features. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips. Happy emailing!